Well, here's my other video. I promised you guys I'd give you a look at Optimus Prime. Well, that's the trailer. I didn't want the Optimus Prime logo on the body, so I just left it blue. All the lights that I put on it, custom wheels, all metal, tanks of plastic, metal exhaust system. You can kind of see what I did with the lights and the air cleaners. My own touch. Metal bumper. Metal headlights. Metal grill, which got Optimus Prime in the grill. And for a logo. All the metal roof. A little longer horns than what I had before on the other one. I've got quite a few extras. Bright lights. Turn signals. Okay. Backup lights, I'm sorry. That's the custom back end that I've done on it. I've done the fenders myself. Fenders are not custom, but that is the fifth wheel. You hear clicking. I've done the custom wheels for the tandems. I did my own fenders to match my fenders on my tractor. And then I got an all metal headache rack, toolbox, everything Optimus Prime had on it when the movie came out. I done my lights in the back. Optimus Prime paint job on the top with the logo. Those are plastic wheels. I had the blue ones on there, which were all metal. And I thought it was a little bit too much blue. I got the 2 spare tires in the back. I custom did all the lights around. I got 40 lights on the trailer all the way around, maybe a little bit more than 40. I did a tractor bumper on the back instead of the bumper that came for the trailer, but I didn't like that. Inside of it, the doors open and close. Let me show you that. That's the interior inside. I'm gonna put a light inside there so when I open the doors it come on. I'm working on that design now. And you got a spare tire on each side. You don't have no backup lights back here, but it is set up for backup lights. You got brake lights back here, regular lights back here. I was gonna put backup lights on the trailer, but nah, I didn't feel like it. I put all the lights back there, all down the side. Trailer didn't come with lights. I drilled all the holes. Oh, and it has electric electric dollies. Right now I'm working on another design for that. They work fine with my other tractor. But this one here, I got a 5th wheel plate right there, which is giving me a fit trying to come up with an idea how to get that plate in there and still keep the 5th wheel plate on there. I'll come up with something one day. And I put all the lights on the front. I painted it. It's got a little bit of everything. And the custom wheels. And they were blue. I put the chrome back on. I drilled the holes in the back for the fenders. The fenders, just like Optimus Prime had. Centerpiece, they said couldn't be done, but I done it. They said there couldn't be no lights put in there. Well, I made them work. Turn signal, backup lights, and all four of them that's going across. And I'm not too keen with people telling me what can't be done. But anyway, that's let me see what else. It's got a 3-speed transmission, just like the white one does. I custom done that right there for the hookup. It's supposed to be in the back right there. I made me a plate and put it down there. Does it look better down there? Let me see if I can unhook this. Oh, wow. You know, I got to learn how to do a video. Let me see. Let me see here. I might just can unhook this. Kind of give you an idea of what the tractor actually looks like without the trailer. And it might be a little bit of a problem right now. Let me see. Let me work on this for a minute here. Oh, there we go. That goes the tilt wheel. Took a nap. So, yeah, the yard's giving me a little bit of break right here because I'm still getting used to getting back into this. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. And then I'll hit the dollies. Since I done unhooked and I didn't let them go down, I'll let them drop. Okay. And then I'll pull out from it. That's pretty cool. Oh, don't want to back up. There we go. And then I got the interior light. And you can see that.